Today, we will study important concepts of business management related to strategy and strategic financial management.
Welcome to Chapter 9, Ethics and Social Responsibility. Ethics. Ethics is a set of moral principles to guide behavior. It concerns with what is right and what is wrong. Levels of practicing ethics. Individual, personal ethics, professional ethics. Organization, org, culture, org, system. Ethical problems faced by organization. Problems faced while achieving higher ROI. She issues, safety, health, environment, unethical payments to government officials. Extortion, when officials threaten the company with closure. Bribery, when the organization is not entitled to services but pays to obtain them. Grease money, when the organization is entitled to services but pays to speed up the process. Gifts, providing unofficial benefits to influence decisions. Honesty in advertising, marketing ethics, ensuring truthful and transparent promotion of products, services. Competitive behavior, avoiding unfair practices that put competitors at a disadvantage. Ethical systems in an organization. Personal ethics, e.g. religious, political, personality ethics, professional ethics, e.g. CA Code of Ethics, medical ethics, fit and proper criteria, organization culture, e.g. customers first, organization system. Ethics must be contained in formal code, e.g. part of ethical SYS. And mission statement. 2 approaches to manage ethics. Law by establishing system of audit and review so that violations are prevented, detected and punished. It works from outside the system. Integrity-based approach combines a concern for the law with an emphasis on managerial responsibility. This approach incorporates ethics in organizations' culture in which managers will do the right thing, e.g. shared accountability, sound behavior, defining values. It works from within the system. Whistleblowing. It is the disclosure by an employee of illegal, immoral or illegitimate practices on part of the organization. 4 types of ethical leadership in organizations. Creative leadership. Reflects the founder's values. Such leaders create and establish an ethical style within the organization. Protective leadership. Focuses on maintaining and sustaining customer service values. Integrative leadership. Aims to build consensus among people and integrate ethical values across the organization. Adaptive leadership. Changes and adjusts organizational culture according to the new environment. Social responsibility. Objectives of a company. Economic objectives. Social, ethical objectives. Boundaries, imposed rules. They restrict management's freedom of action, responsibilities, voluntarily undertaken obligations, e.g. charities. Social, ethical objectives of a company. She issues, e.g. minimum wages, job security, good employer, e.g. good working environment, job satisfaction, good public image, e.g. good quality products, society well-being, e.g. regular order and timely payments to suppliers, pollution. Financial assistance, e.g. charity, sports. For other objectives, see stakeholders' objectives. Arguments against and favoring social responsibility recognition. Social responsibility is expected from all types of organizations. Against. Organizations should concern wealth only because shareholders own assets. Shareholders are part of society. Taxes on revenues are given to build society. Businesses exist for profit. Favor. By Mintzberg. Ultimately, consumer pays taxes via higher prices. Gov. Support firms produces 2 outputs, goods and services. Social consequences of activities, e.g. pollution responsibility recognition, e.g. charity, improves public relations. Business success and development as part of society. Decisions by organization affects society. Externality is a social, environmental cost of organization's activities not borne by organization. Securing political environment. Protect environment from pollution, improving quality of life, good employer, protecting minorities' welfare of local community. Compliance-based approach, e.g. audit review questioning system for employees. Disciplinary procedures, lawyers, integrity-based approach, internal commitment. Guiding values, pattern of thoughts, share accountability, managers. Thank for watching.